Let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your establishment experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for established men? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info and chat stay safe from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed while connecting with your matches. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which profiles or conversations you access. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for established men. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for established men because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scam profiles or phishing attempts, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends or matches for a super secure custom chat network. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your phone, tablet, and laptop all at once while browsing established men. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone on established men worried about slow or unstable connections, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for the fastest browsing possible. This can help route your traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed gain. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for established men? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother browsing and no frustrating lags when messaging. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with speeds that dip depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, reliable connection is your top priority. You want to avoid any lag while chatting or browsing. Established men, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household using established men. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for established men. See you soon.